So what we're going to do is we're going to try question number 1 together. So f of x, that's just your polynomial function. So number 1. We're supposed to factor this fully, factor fully. I'll just put f of x because it says f of x. Okay, so what are the a values that we can try? Yeah, so our a value will be a factor of the constant term of -2. So that the a value that we're going to try are the factors of -2. So it's plus, minus 1, plus, minus 2. Okay? Those are the only ones that we're going to do. So, which one should we try?
2.
We try 2? Okay, let's try 2.
Or x minus 2.
X minus 2. Okay, x minus 2. So, p of minus 2. Okay, so which a value do you want to try? 2? Okay, 2. Sorry, you're already kind of giving me the answer, I think. So, 2. Okay, so that's going to be 2 times 2 cubed minus 2 squared minus 5 times 2 minus 2. So, if p of 2 is equals to 8. 2 cubed is 8 times 2 is 16. 2 squared is 4 minus 1 is minus 4. That's going to give us -10 and a -2. So that's going to give us -16 and a positive 16. So the p of 2 is 0. Yeah. So that means the remainder is 0. If a is 2, what is a factor? Therefore, okay, x minus 2 is a factor. Okay, so we figured out one factor. Is there any other factor? Okay, so x minus 2 is a factor. So what are we going to do? Let's perform the long division so that we can figure out what the quotient is. Not long division, synthetic division. Yeah, it's easier. It's all in order, nothing is missing, so that's good. So it's going to be 2, -1, -5, -2, and then our a is 2. So bring down the 2, then multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. We're going to put 4 here. Add 3. 3 times 2 is 6. We put it underneath that one. So it's going to be 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So that's 0. So we know the remainder is 0, right? We already know remainder is 0. So the other polynomial, okay, the quotient, the quotient after we divided by x minus 2 is 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. Okay, now this is where we got this part, polynomial. Is this factorable? Can we factor this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so what does it factor to? 2 times 1 is going to be 2. That adds 3. So 2x squared plus 2x plus 1x plus 1. 2. Oh, okay, reset. So now that we know our quotient, we can see if this is factorable. So 2, you multiply A, the first and the last, that's going to give us 2. 2. What are the factors of 2 that adds up to positive 3? So 1 times 2, negative 1, negative 2. So it's 1 and 2. So factor by groupings, that's 2x is a common factor, so it's x plus 1. And then here, the greatest common factor is plus 1, so it's going to be x plus 1. So the factor is x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. Okay. So what's a complete factor? Okay, so what's a complete factor? So 2x cubed minus x squared minus 5x minus 2. What are the factors? X plus 1, 2x plus 1 times, and then the other one would be the x minus 2. Okay, so this is a complete factor. Okay?
Excuse me?
Yeah, of course.
I'm stuck in the last one.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is the original polynomial. And then we know that the first factor was x minus 2. So that's that one. And then we factored the remaining polynomial further. And then these are the factors. So then these are all the 3 factors. Yeah. Is that okay? Yeah? Yeah, of course. I'm not gonna remove it. I'm gonna keep it up here. Now you have question 2, 3, and 4 that you can try to work in your group. I know you weren't here when we first met.